Ebi nibyo bwanyuma ya Uganda kohereza abasirikare kuza DRC okulinda obusinge kugira ngo abahekera ba M23 barujyo mu myanya ebibakwasire.
When you fall into their ambush, they put you chini ya ulinzi, they search you, take all the money, take the mobile phones and everything. If you resist, they harm you. They harm you, they use a hammer, they use metal bars and other items. But we have intensified our operations on these thugs.
Eki kiretira Abatuura ba Muramba, Bunagana, Busanza ku mupaka Nyarubuye na Nyabwisha Nyaboda bayirarikira ngu abantu abamwe barakuteberezwa kuba babire bagira mu buhekera kubatahira babasa kuguma bateganisa Abatuura.
These areas that are bordering with Congo, we need the police units back because there is a lot of cross-border crime. Animals stored in Uganda taken to Congo. Some people from Congo, they steal borders and they enter in Uganda and they want to sell them. There is robbery taking place in the two countries, but if we don't have police nearby, it becomes hard to manage those cross-border crimes.
Nagira ngu hariyo kwerarikira abwe mnyetemwe yanjiro mu bahekera yashaba Abatuura nkuba kubona abantu abo abarukire DRC abagiro mbyanga byabo babanyisa byo kwerinda.
There is a concern that there are some younger boys who were lured into activities of rebellion and they joined the M23. I have not seen those cases, but in case they come and these boys come to hand over or they come back to their parents, we are asking the locals not to kill them.
Nashaba Abatuura bona okwerinda kumara Abatuura tore kintu cyona ekibataru kwetegereza kureka bamanyise byo kwerinda babe nbo bija kubikwata.
We have had cases of bombs thrown in the bush for those people who are now running away from the war. Now we are also seeing these guns being thrown in the bush or hidden for bad motives.
Eki kibiro bwanyuma y'abantu babusenyangabo mugombora ya Nyarubuye hihi na Rukundo okwerarikira ngo bino bwoba bwo rutaro rwa DRC ngwenta kimazire zibasa kwija kutaho mu Uganda.
The gun had 30 rounds of ammunition and even one bullet was already in the chamber, showing that the person using it was planning to shoot a person or to attack. And all the 30 ammunitions are alive, and the gun now is in the hands of UPDF. We are doing further investigation.
Embundu eshanjure n'amasasu 30 kandi rimwe ribere ryo mu Chemba. Gashakwa keta tuzarirwe.